Okay, today I'm going to show you how I make a really nice and easy pineapple fluff dessert. This is wonderful, and my grandbabies are coming today, so I want to make this for them. So with this recipe, you are going to need 1 can of either crushed, chunked, or pineapple tidbits in the juice. You're going to also need a cup of coconut, 2 cups of miniature marshmallows, a tub of Cool Whip, walnuts. I got a half a cup of walnuts, and that's optional. You can use walnuts, peanuts, or you don't have to use nuts at all. And a little package, 3.4 ounce package of vanilla instant pudding. So with that, let's get started, and I'll show you just how easy this is to put together. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get our pudding mix in there. And we're going to pour our pineapple chunks, juice and all, and we're going to mix this together. See, that pudding is making it thicken up. This will be wonderful. Just get that mixed real good. All right, now we're going to add everything else. We're going to add in our 1 cup of coconut, our 2 cups of marshmallows, and our nuts. We're going to mix that together. Okay, now for the last, we are going to put this entire tub of, it's got to be thawed too. You don't want it frozen. You'll never be able to work with it well. So you want your tub of Cool Whip thawed. Okay, and we're just going to fold all that in, and look at that. That is beautiful. This is a nice summer treat. In this case, it's spring, but my grandkids love this. You can even, if you want, you know, it's nice to have a few, you can put maraschino cherries in there if you want. So there you have it. That's how easy that is. Now I just want to give it a little taste. That's very good. So there you have it, friends. That's pretty budget friendly too, because my pineapple was only $1. My coconut was a couple dollars, and I only got about $4 in this entire recipe. So it's pretty budget friendly because it'll last quite a bit. So there you have it. It's wonderful. Thanks for watching.